Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today with me. And the question is, can you give insight into why my clicks are so high at Google Analytics but sessions so low? Is this click fraud going on? My website is pretty fast, so I'm not sure what's going on. Website landing page is this. Okay, so let me see your landing page, and if I scroll below to see your uh, Google Analytics display, so let's make it bigger so that the masses can I mean can see it as well, and it's easily readable for everyone. Okay, so here you are seeing over here is that 131 clicks over here, and there are 12 sessions over here with the bounce rate of 41.6%. So bounce rate is good, but the clicks are high and sessions are low. Let me see your landing page. While I try to load, and it went loaded quickly. So what could be the possible reason over here? Uh, there could be few possible reasons. First of all is, are you tracking correctly? uh, there can be sometimes an issue with Google Analytics that you have placed the code at multiple locations. For instance, if you have placed twice or thrice times on the same page, and that can occur, this can occur due to this. So number one could be this reason. The second could be probably click boots are coming and people are faking it, or third is your can be right that there can be click fraud. You can link it with click boots as well, that the click fraud is happening. And to avoid this, I recommend a company, and which you can find in the description of this video. That is an amazing company for click fraud. My personal recommendations are with that, and that is with the name of ClickGuard. So just make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy amazing discount with ClickGuard as well. uh, it helps you in preventing fake invalid clicks, boot clicks happening. So if you want to try it out, you can use ClickGuard and see if you see any difference over here. Definitely, in case if you want a manual audit, I can do it as well. But apart from click boot, click fraud, there can be another thing, but that is very highly unlikely because your bounce rate is low, and that is that people are leaving your website before it gets loaded. But this is a highly unlikely option because your website loading time is quite fast. And even if I do on the page speed comparison of Google page speed comparison, and to see, uh, have a cross check as well, because it's loading quite fast over here. But let me see it as well over here to see as well. Or it could be due to this pop-up. Maybe this can be an issue as well, so you can try removing this pop-up, and that can you know tell you as well. But you can see that the website is fast, and no doubt I can accept this your fact as well, that their website is definitely very very fast. But if I scroll below, I can see that it's going to a 68, so it's not a very very fast. So you need to improve on your performance. And right now it's diagnosing for desktop. But yeah, speed over here 68. So speed is can be improved. It's sometimes it's a coding errors or extra error codes on your website, you can see over here, which are causing an issue to get your website loaded slowly. But surprisingly, it was loaded quite fast on my page, and I loaded in front of you guys as well. So you can try considering doing ClickGuard, and then you can try looking on your tracking, and that can hopefully solve out the problem. But if the issue still persists and you need a manual, me and my team can do a manual audit, and my developers can help you to look around it. And in case if you need such services, the details are in the description of this video and how you can work with me and my team. So I hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Take care and bye bye.